Math fans unite. Today we're cracking the code behind 1 plus 1. Alright, picture this. You have one pizza slice, now you get another slice. How many slices do you have? 2! It's that simple. In math terms, 1 plus 1 equals 2 because we're just adding one thing to another identical thing. Think of it like stacking Lego bricks. 1 brick plus 1 more brick equals 2 bricks. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's the foundation of all math. If 1 plus 1 didn't equal 2, our whole number system would fall apart. Imagine the chaos. So next time you add up your candy or count your favorite comics, remember 1 plus 1 equals 2 holds the universe together. Fun, simple, and totally essential. Stay curious, math enthusiasts. Until next time, keep counting those pizza slices.
If you don't like being fish food but still love the ocean, then keep watching to learn why you should avoid swimming with sharks. Sharks are top predators of the ocean. While they're fascinating creatures, swimming with them can be extremely dangerous. Sharks have powerful jaws and sharp teeth. One bite can cause serious injury or even death. Many sharks are curious by nature. They might approach swimmers, which can lead to accidental attacks. Plus, if you're bleeding or splashing around, it can attract sharks from far away. Remember, sharks play a vital role in the ecosystem, but it's best to admire them from a safe distance. Always follow local guidelines and swim in designated areas. Protect yourself and respect these magnificent creatures. Stay safe, stay informed, and think twice before taking a dip in shark-infested waters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.
Think math is boring? These tricks will change your mind. First up, the 9 times table hack. Hold up both hands. To multiply 9 by any number from 1 to 10, fold down that finger. For 9 times 4, fold your 4th finger. You'll have 3 fingers on one side and 6 on the other. Boom! 36. Next, the square of a number ending in 5 trick. Take 25 squared. Multiply the first digit, 2, by the next highest number, 3. That's 6. Now, add 25. So 25 squared is 625. Finally, the percentage hack. Want 15% of 200? Find 10% of 200, which is 20. Half of that is 10%. Add them up. 20 plus 10 equals 30. There you have it. 3 math tricks that will make you the math whiz. If your math homework looks like a mystery, you're not alone. Let's crack the code together. Today I'm sharing 3 simple tricks to make division a breeze. Trick 1, the half and half rule. If you're dividing by 2, just cut the number in half. Easy peasy. Got 88? Split it to get 44. Trick 2, the zero drop. Dividing by 10? Drop a 0. 120 divided by 10? Just 12. Boom, done. And trick 3, the magic of multiples. If division feels tricky, flip it. Think, what times this equals that? Can't figure out 72 divided by 8? What times 8 makes 72? It's 9. With these hacks, you'll be a division dynamo in no time. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more cool math tips. Happy dividing!
What's something people don't know about gardening? It can be a whole lot easier with these 3 hacks. Curious? Let's get started. Hack number 1, use coffee grounds. Sprinkle them around your plants to keep pests away and boost the soil. It's like giving your plants a morning coffee buzz. Next up, hack number 2, banana peels. Bury them near the base of your roses. They'll provide essential nutrients and your roses will thank you by blooming beautifully. Plus, it's a great way to recycle. And finally, hack number 3, DIY self-watering system. Poke a few holes in a plastic bottle, fill it with water, and bury it near your plant's roots. Voila! Your plants stay hydrated even when you forget to water them. Genius, right? So there you have it. 3 simple hacks to take your gardening game to the next level. Give them a try and let us know how they work for you in the comments. Happy gardening. Ever wondered what tiny creatures throw parties behind your fingernails? Welcome to the secret animal kingdoms hiding in your nails. First up, we have the Staphylococcus bacteria. These little guys are like the party animals of the micro world, always hanging out and having a blast. Next, meet the Demodex mites. These tiny bugs are like secret agents, sneaking around your skin and nails at night. They're so small you'd need a microscope to catch them. Finally, let's talk fungi, like Candida. These fungi are like the hippies of the nail world, spreading chill vibes but can sometimes overstay their welcome. So your nails aren't just for scratching and painting, my friend. They're bustling little ecosystems. Keep them clean and you'll keep these tiny jungle creatures in check. Remember, the tiniest worlds can be the most fascinating. Thanks for exploring with me. Like and subscribe for more wild facts. This is why you need to know about polar bears and sand. They're more amazing than you think. First, did you know polar bears have black skin under their white fur? That black skin absorbs heat from the sun to keep them warm in the icy Arctic. Second, a polar bear's sense of smell is so powerful they can sniff out a seal from over a mile away. That's like you smelling your favorite pizza from across town. And finally, polar bears aren't just great swimmers, they're marathon swimmers. They can swim for days without taking a break, covering hundreds of miles in search of food. Talk about endurance. So next time you think about these majestic bears, remember they're not just cute and cuddly. They're survival experts with some seriously cool tricks up their fur. If you enjoyed these facts, hit like and subscribe for more wild wonders. Why do 80% of homes have surprising creatures in their carpets? Let's find out. Your carpet is more than just a cozy place for your feet. It's a bustling ecosystem. First up, dust mites. These tiny critters love dead skin cells. They're invisible to the naked eye, but can cause allergies and asthma. Next, carpet beetles. They can damage fabrics, especially wool, and infest other household items. Then, microscopic bacteria. Regular vacuuming can keep them under control and maintain a healthier home. And don't forget fleas. Pets can bring them in, causing discomfort for everyone. So next time you clean, think about the tiny tenants you're evicting. It's about maintaining a healthy living environment. Who knew carpets could be so lively? Please like and subscribe for more interesting content. Ready to feel the ground shake? The lion, the king of the jungle, is about to make its presence known. The lion's roar sends shivers down the spine of every creature within earshot. It's a symphony of power and majesty echoing through the savannah. Imagine standing in the savannah surrounded by the vast open landscape, the air still and tense. Suddenly the silence shatters with a powerful roar. That deep rumbling call can be heard up to 5 miles away. It's not just a sound, it's a statement, a declaration of strength, a proclamation of power, a reminder of the lion's reign. With every roar, the ground trembles, hearts race. The animals know their king has spoken. It's nature's way of saying the king is here. The lion's roar is a majestic announcement. So next time you hear that mighty roar, remember, you're witnessing pure majesty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Are you amazed by how insects manage to survive in the Arctic's extreme cold? These tiny creatures have developed some of the most incredible adaptations to endure the harshest conditions on our planet. The Arctic is one of the most unforgiving environments on Earth, with temperatures plummeting well below freezing. Yet insects have found ways to not just survive but thrive in these icy realms. Let's unravel their frosty mysteries. First up, antifreeze proteins. These proteins prevent ice crystals from forming inside their bodies. Imagine if you could prevent ice from forming in your own body during winter. That's essentially what these insects are doing. This antifreeze mechanism is crucial because ice crystals can damage cells and tissues, leading to death. By preventing ice formation, insects can maintain their cellular integrity even in sub-zero temperatures. Next, some insects replace water in their bodies with a sugary substance called glycerol. Think of it as nature's antifreeze, stopping their cells from freezing solid. Glycerol lowers the freezing point of bodily fluids, much like how antifreeze works in a car engine. This adaptation allows insects to remain active even when temperatures drop. And here's another nifty trick: hibernation. Many insects go into a deep sleep called diapause. They slow down their metabolism to a crawl, conserving energy and avoiding the harshest winter months. This state of suspended animation allows them to wait out the winter in a safe, low-energy state. Oh, and did you know some insects can supercool? They lower their body temperature below freezing, but avoid forming ice inside. It's like taking a dip in a freezing pool without turning into an ice cube. This process, known as supercooling, allows insects to survive in temperatures that would be lethal to most other organisms. These amazing adaptations help insects not just survive, but thrive in the coldest places on Earth. So next time you see a tiny creature in the snow, remember they're Arctic superheroes in disguise. Stay curious, science buffs, and see you next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Did you know flying termites are actually royalty in disguise? These fascinating creatures, often mistaken for mere pests, play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They are the kings and queens of the termite world, embarking on a grand journey to establish new colonies. These tiny insects aren't just flying for fun, they have a very important mission. When you see them fluttering around, they are actually in the process of creating new life. Their flight is a critical part of their life cycle, ensuring the survival and expansion of their species. They're on a mission to start entire new colonies. This swarming behavior is known as dispersal, and it's a natural phenomenon that happens when the conditions are just right. The sight of thousands of termites taking to the air is both mesmerizing and a bit eerie. Flying termites, called alates, only appear once a year, usually right after rain. The rain softens the ground, making it easier for them to dig and establish their new homes. This timing is no coincidence. It's a well-coordinated event that maximizes their chances of survival. That's when conditions are perfect. The moist environment not only aids in their digging efforts but also provides the necessary humidity for their delicate bodies. It's a perfect example of nature's timing and precision. Thousands take off at the same time in a giant event called a nuptial flight. This synchronized flight is a spectacle to behold, with countless termites filling the sky. It's their version of a grand ball, where they meet their mates and start the next chapter of their lives. They mate in midair, land, drop their wings, and, if they survive predators, they begin the arduous task of creating a new colony. This process is fraught with danger, as many fall prey to birds, bats, and other predators. They dig into the ground and start building a brand new termite kingdom. This initial phase is critical, as the new king and queen must establish a safe and stable environment for their future offspring. Here's the wild part. The queen can live for over 20 years and lay millions of eggs. Her prolific egg-laying ensures the growth and sustainability of the colony. The queen's role is vital, and her longevity is a testament to the resilience of these tiny builders. So next time you see a cloud of bugs flying after a rainstorm, remember that you might just be witnessing the birth of a termite empire. These seemingly insignificant insects are actually key players in their ecosystems, contributing to soil health and nutrient cycling. You might just be watching the birth of a termite empire. Their intricate nests and complex social structures are marvels of natural engineering, showcasing the incredible capabilities of these tiny creatures. If you enjoyed that tiny adventure into the world of flying termites, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool nature facts. Hit that bell so you never miss a weird wonder from the wild. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world around us.